Good morning, everybody. It is day one of shoot. It's 7:30 a.m. and we are on our way to the YouTube space. We, as in me, Mr. Capman, and a lot of luggage. Sudeep's coming. So we reach the space. We eat breakfast, and at around 8:30, I have to begin with hair and makeup. So yeah, let's go. I'm just going to barge into very important discussions and show you who's who. Come. So Sudeep is the executive producer. You can't see him, but he's there, I promise. If we get into a problem regarding some things, I'll let you know who he is in the shoot. Hiren is here. Alak's the director. Karthik's here. Sai is on the camera. Saurav is assistant as producer. This is Anushka. So all the shots where you saw me as a character, and then over the shoulder shots of me sitting on the other side, it was me, it was Anushka. We actually look pretty similar. Come, I'll show you. Look at us. Take your glasses off. No, yeah, I think we're both very chubby. Oh, this is Adi. Adi is shooting the behind the scenes. If the behind the scenes, like official behind the scenes video is not out yet, it will be out very, very soon, to check out for that. So yeah, that's the whole set. Everyone's working there. That's the stage set where I'll be shooting tomorrow with all the creators who come in. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Okay, so this is the auntie wala look. I think it's amazing. I've not looked like, look at this. This is so good. Anyway, one more shot with this look and then we change into the diva. Get you a girl who can do both. Alright, this is the diva. You guys already saw it, but I wore color lenses. I don't know if you guys know, I really like cat eyes. My mom has cat eyes. She's so Sonia. If only I had the skill of doing all of this every time I shoot a Sonia video, Sonia would look like this. Like, hi guys, what's up? I'm like Sonia.
Is it Sonia with a J or with a Y?
It's Sonia with a Y and an M. M silent. Muggles. Hey everybody, so end of day one. I've come back to Sudeep's place. I sort of forgot to end today's vlog. Sidali just reminded me. It's pretty late. It's like 1:30 in the morning. We have to be on set tomorrow before 7. So it's a super early day. I'm trying to get some sleep and then we leave early tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very, very special day. You guys probably already know we're shooting with all the creators and a lot of fun sequences. There's a lot of dance. I'm going to be dancing, like dancing on camera and stuff after a very long time. So I'm very excited. The only worry I have though is my ankle. It's really swollen. Like both my ankles are swollen. The right one's a little less swollen. The left one's like so I'm just hoping that it goes well tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night. Everyone's looking at me and tripping. Like so many people who don't know what we are shooting, who I am. They're walking past and then coming back. Hey, because I'm wearing like Mickey sweatpants. I'm wearing a t-shirt that says me sarcastic. Never. It's a Dari's, by the way. How cool is it? And then everyone's walking by and they just like glitch in the matrix type. Anyway, so we're just gonna get some breakfast now. I like my makeup and hair is done. I just have to wear a sari and the sari is gonna take like 5 to 7 minutes. So I have like 20 minutes to chill, which is a good thing because I'm still sort of waking up. I literally reached the space and I dozed off for how long? 7. No, how long did I sleep off? 30 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, day 2, let's go.
देखा कभी आईने में दिखता है क्या? Too fat, too thin, dressing sense बुरा. OMG, she's a doctor.
You know what's my favorite part? The lashes. I love extensions. I had hair extensions. Yesterday I have eyelashes. Today. But yeah, this is the look. Love the makeup. Who else is on set? Everyone's on set. Like everything's so busy. I'm the only one who's like going around Vela. Mithila's here, Sonal's here, Raftar's on his way. I am super excited. What if I just creep on? Should I just like sort of just creep on? I was trying a weird angle. Yeah, people are working. I shouldn't piss them off. This weirdo is here.
बेटे शादी कैसे होगी स्किन काली है तुम्हारी सुनो कोई नहीं लेगा नई बहू काली वाली डिग्री विग्री इंग्लिश विंग्लिश सारी फालतू की बातें थोड़ा बेसन थोड़ा बीच थोड़ी हल्दी मलाई हाउ मच डू यू वे पूरा हाथ ही खा गई क्या इतनी पतली कैसे है तू दिखती ओनली हड्डियां थोड़ा कम तुम खाओ थोड़ा खाने लग जाओ इतनी मोटी इतनी पतली ना होती लड़कियां
Oh my gosh, you guys, we just wrapped the sked with, what's up with my lips? With Raftar and with Raghav. And now they're leaving, literally Raftar, Raghav.
Put that.
Say bye to my vlog.
Bye bye, blog viewers. Bye.
Bye. And that was...
Wishing Prajakta all the best. And now I'm okay to talk. Earlier I was not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Because I
broke
was
the ice.
very unwell and English khatam.
Okay.
बहुत तबीयत खराब थी भाई.
अब ठीक हो?
अब ठीक
And keep watching her blog. She's a sweetheart.
Yes.
And अभी
You
तक
are a
इसको
sweetheart, like
fish
you said.
नहीं खिलाया, but still. Okay.
चलो.
Watch
No, but seriously.
Mostly Sane. If you haven't watched Mostly Sane,
What are you doing with
अरे,
your life?
Haven't watched तो मतलब ये वही देखेंगे ना जो देख रहे हैं already.
No, आपकी वजह से I'll put your name in the title, so I'll get views.
Yes.
But anyway, yeah, this was cool. This was so much fun, and I'm gonna go say bye to them. Hey everybody, this is look number 2. I'm an alien kitty cat. Anyway, this one is with look number 1. Yeah. So Malishka just one and only. Malishka just came. Like she came in a while ago, and I'm so sorry you had to wait.
Don't worry. The only thing we can't stand is the heat. So we're
Heat,
sitting in
so
front
yeah.
of this fan.
Ayan.
Bosom level.
वो फैन का मैजिक दिखाना जरा.
Yeah, this fan doesn't go up, but if you need it to be up,
वो टेबल फैन भी बनता है, वो स्टैंडिंग फैन भी बनता है, पर्सनल फैन भी. You can hold it like that in.
it's a fan.
It's a fan. So yeah, if you guys like, I'm sure you guys know who Malishka is, and literally she was the sweetest person. I was driving listening to her show, and like what, 3 days before the shoot, 4 days before.
Were
the
you?
shoot?
Good taste, girl.
Yeah. No, I always listen, but like 4 days before the shoot, I call, like suddenly I heard her show and I called Sudeep. I was like, because she speaks a lot about like body shaming and everything else socially. So, and she's
3 days
everywhere.
back, I shut down a fairness cream company.
You
It's what
did?
I like to think.
Yeah. So then I knew I had to have her. I was literally praying that she is in the country or in the city and she can spare more than a couple of hours to
I was
come.
confused. I'm on radio. Radio walas never allow you to go anywhere.
No, but then you travel.
I travel. I do a lot
Yeah,
of
she does a lot. Because it's all over your Instagram, Malishka.
This is also true.
So I told Sudeep, Sudeep, we need Malishka. Sudeep called Malishka, and in a second she was like, yeah, cool, let's do it.
Yeah, because who won't want to do something with Miss Kohli?
No, it's not even about doing something with me. It's just about like saying yes to this.
I have been on the other side of body shaming. I've come out of it like a pro.
I know.
have put on weight. I've lost weight. I've put on weight. I have, gone through the kali hai, gori hai. ये नहीं है तू बहुत सुकड़ी है, तू बहुत मोटी है. I've heard people do it to others as well. Possibly जाने अनजाने में मैंने भी कर लिया होगा. But I love the idea that a 22-year-old is telling you what to believe because YouTube is such a great medium, yeah, Kohli. Yeah, and she's mostly saying, अच्छा तुम बता रही हो, तुम कुछ सालों में सीख
I'm
जाओ कि
shameless.
सच बोलना नहीं होता age के मामले में. You have to be shameless and minus 2 years.
अच्छा, okay, then I'm 21.
Yeah, but I'm minus than
तो फिर तो
24.
तुमने ज़्यादा बोल दिया.
24. हाँ, मैं 24. मैंने 2 साल minus. I'll tell you, I'm also shameless. I land up anywhere where they tell me they'll do my hair and makeup.
Now we need to shut this off. We need to rehearse. Bye everyone. Take care. Do that. Ding, ding, ding.
क्यों चेहरा छुपाऊं क्यों मेकअप लगाऊं Who decides how I look क्यों वैक्स में कराऊं क्यों खाना घटाऊं क्यों डाइट में चलाऊं I'd eat you if I have to घर में
Woo! Still going strong. Right now shooting with my Malishka,
और मैं नहीं हूँ मैं तुम्हारा माय गौरव
my Gaurav Gera.
वाला
And they're so they color coordinated.
देखो तुम्हारे लिए
शुक्रिया.
तुम्हारा वो है ब्लॉग है ब्लॉग पीडी ब्लॉग इसमें क्या करते हैं
इसमें ऐसे बस नार्सिसिज्म की हद पार करते हैं.
कोई गाना सुना दो इनको.
आप सुना दो.
सेमलेस. सेम. आप कौन बहन जी? मुझे वाली.
भाई साहब है वो.
मैं हाय हाय बोलूंगा ना, तुम गाओ.
1 2 3
होय होय होय
सेमलेस.
होय 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 होय
सेमलेस.
होय 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 होय.
चमाट लगा दो.
Work hard, do good, one life to live. Hard to care what they think with no F's to give. कहने वाले कहते रहे उससे हमको क्या? You been mean to me, but guess what? I forgive.
Hello.
hello ਭਾਈ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਗੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੱਧਾ
No, you are allowed.
I am loud and I'm allowed. Thank you so much that you got this crowd. Oh, this is wine so many times. Sick, bro.
See, you're in one rap song and you turn into a rapper.
It's rap me rap parag rap.
Anyway,
After
so we're
that bad joke.
shooting with Sahil. He is the last creator for the day for the music video, and he's so much fun, man. You guys know him.
Khatarnak.
He's Khatarnak.
It's going to be khatarnak.
Yeah, he taught me a Bangla step,
Yes.
which is nice, and I was a good student, no? I was a very good student, you guys. I was a very good student.
Thanks for not taking me in the frame while I was laughing on it.
We've got like a couple shots left, and then we're done.
And then I'll teach her the full Bhangra moves of Bhangra Empire. Have you seen those
I
videos?
have seen those. My eyes look horrible in this frame. Anyway.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Anyway, no, Abhi, you have this beautiful thing going on. Nothing else can look pretty next to it, no?
I can't help it. I
It's a
wanted both the
curse.
heads
It's
to
a
look the
curse.
same.
Awesome. We're gonna finish the last 2 shots and then done.
I'm shameless. I'm shameless. I'm shameless. I'm shameless.
Stop crying, you mental. So cute. Why are you crying? Let me take a picture. Why are you crying?
I love the hot look on you, Pradita. So hot you look.
So दाढ़ी निकाल दो इसकी.
No. We want a picture with her. Hey everybody, it's a pack up and I want you guys to meet the Magic Miracle team. This is Archal.
Hello.
This is her intern Lisa and this is Sandhya. She did my hair. Lisa was on set with us. Archal did all of the awesome makeup that I had. She is amazing. I'm going to put her links in the description. You guys should check her workout.
Thank you so much.
What do you want to say? How talented am I on a scale of 1 to 10?
Super. It was wonderful working with you.
And I
You're the most
really,
amazing
I
person.
really hope we can work again.
For sure. Absolutely.
I love a good team. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Hola, everybody. It is much later than what you saw last. That was like weeks ago. Today's like today, actually, when you're seeing this video. Anyway, I had 2 fun announcements to make before I end this vlog. Fun announcement number 1 is that the official Shameless merch is live on redwolf.in/mostlysane. Yes, and if you've bought it, show me pictures, wear pictures, you know, tag me, wear t-shirts. And if you haven't bought it and you want to get some in free, well, did I just fix that problem? Like, is that? I think I've got a few, bits and pieces here and there of free Shameless merch. But hey, you gotta earn it, baby. Upload videos of you dancing to Shameless, singing Shameless, musically-ing Shameless. Get creative with the song and tag me in those videos. Send those videos to me. You can tag me on Instagram and Facebook or anywhere else and stand a chance to win free Shameless merch. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And announcement number 2 is that the footage that you saw is not even half of what the footage that I have. I have a lot of other behind the scenes fun bloopers footage, which I'm going to exclusively be uploading time and again over on my Instagram and my Facebook. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at @mostlysane and Facebook at @mostlysane official. Also, tell me that you've shared the video, guys, because if you don't know, everything that we earn from this video goes to charity. So the more the views, the more the awareness, more the money. Make that happen. Over to you guys. Alright, I'm gonna end this vlog now. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Thank you so much for making Shameless the project of my dreams. When I was shooting it, I was not even close to thinking how well you guys would take it. And you guys are best. I'm gonna go now. Oh my gosh, I'm really sweating. Okay, chalo, bye. Like and subscribe, please. I'll see you on Thursday until we meet. Love.